everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is LaptopExplorer11. Today I will be showing you how to make a star in Turtle module using this Python here. See, Python. So first open Python. It is loading. Then click on File, New File. Now, so first we need to import the Turtle module. So type import Turtle. So if you type this, it will import the Turtle module. Now t equals turtle.pen. So what this does is, now you cannot just be typing turtle.pen, right? So what turtle.pen means, the pen, like in the turtle module. So you cannot just be typing turtle.pen. So instead you are telling the program that t means the turtle's pen. Then type t dot forward 360. Okay, wait, I forgot something. Yeah, here you should put empty parenthesis. Yeah, then next you should type t dot left 108. Enter. So we should be typing these two for 21 times. So that will make 2 stars. Okay. Here 360. T dot left 108. So actually what this code does is it will tell where should the pen go. Then again t dot forward. Okay, no, t dot left. Hundred and eight t dot forward. No. Yeah, 360 t dot forward. Okay, t dot left. Oh, I got confused here. Okay, wait a minute. Hundred and eight. Enter. Okay, wait. Yeah. Next again t dot forward. Now 360. T dot left 108. T dot forward 360. Okay, so just count how many times did we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So still we need to do 15 more times. Yeah. T dot left. Then 108. T dot forward 360. So it is showing like where should the pen go. I told now. T dot 3, 6, 8 times. 8 times we have did it. Forward 360. Now we did it 8 times. 3, 3, 3, 9 times, 9 times. Yeah. So next T dot left. 108. T dot forward 360. T dot left 108. T dot forward 360. Now we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have did it 11 times. Still 10 more times we should do it. T dot left 108. T dot forward 360. T dot forward. Okay, no. Wait a minute. I made a mistake. Then instead of forward, just type left. Then 108. Then again enter. So until now we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times we have finished. Forward 360. T dot left 108. Okay, no. Forgot to close the parenthesis. Forward T dot left 360. T dot left. Okay, no. Wait. Again, I made a mistake. This one is little bit confusing. Hundred and eight. Enter. T dot forward 360. T dot left 108. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We did it 16 times. 5 more times, then we can run this one, the model. Forward 360. T dot left 108. T dot forward 360. Okay, wait. 360. Yeah. T dot left 108. T dot 4. Okay, let's count how much we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, wait. So I'll just count again to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, 18. 3 more times. Forward 360. T dot left 108. T dot forward 360. T dot left 108. Then again T dot forward. Here we should do 360. Oops, wait. T dot left 108. T dot forward 360. Okay, I think this is 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. Wait, actually we should remove this. It becomes too much. Now T dot hide turtle. So what this last line of code does is, so T dot hide turtle means it will hide the turtle. Like it does not really look like a turtle, but that arrow. Now I should save this. Save. Okay. Zoom it in. So you should wait until the end. Yeah, so actually this will make 1 star, not exactly 2. But by 2, what I mean to say is on the same one it will trace. So that is what it, that is the output. So that's it for this video.